Hi, in this video we will see how to use Ligo on IDE, I mean a code editor. The Ligo plugin is available on 3 editors: VS Code, Vim and NeoVim, and finally Emacs. Let's start with the Ligo plugin on VS Code. Let's go to the Ligo plugin on VS Code page. So you can search on the official marketplace for Visual Studio and you will find Ligo. Also, you can search inside of VS Code itself in the extensions and you type Ligo and you find it. Okay, click on the button install. I will install it on my WSL Ubuntu and it's installed. Now let's have a look on the Ligo plugin for Vim. Click on the link from the Ligo page and you will see the README. Download this directory here. Download directory and zip. This will download all the necessary folders with the files configuration. If you are on a Linux machine, you will find the configuration folder for Vim in the tilde.vim/pack. On Windows, normally is on the tilde/vim files. So I will extract the zip and I will copy the 3 folders inside my Vim files folder. Now I can open Vim. I'll do semicolon to enter a command. I will go inside of a folder and I will open a file. You can see now you have the syntax coloration for Ligo. Okay, let's do the same for NeoVim now. So for NeoVim, I need to locate also where is my configuration folder. For this, I will start NeoVim and I will enter semicolon and this command echo std pass for config. Okay, so here I know where is my configuration folder for NeoVim. I will open this folder and I will do the same. I will copy the 3 folder in the destination. Okay, this is done. Now I will come back to NeoVim and I will try to open a file. Here we have also the Ligo syntax coloration. Okay, now let's go to the Emacs IDE. Also click on the link for the Emacs plugin. And then you will have to download the Ligo mode.l. So download this file. You can do like this and download. You get it. Then I open Ubuntu and I create init file for Emacs. So this is an init file, it means that when Emacs will start, we look on this file at startup and execute what is inside. I will edit this file. So I have installed Emacs just before. And now I will copy the configuration I have on the page. I need to change here the path where I will install my Ligo plugin. I save the file and I close. Okay, so now I will create the folder for my Ligo plugin. And I will copy the file I just downloaded on the first step in this folder. Now I will reopen Emacs with a file, a smart contract file in Ligo. As you can see, you have the syntax coloration now. Okay, so now we have seen how to install the Ligo plugin in the 3 IDE. I will come back to VS Code and we see how we can use now this Ligo plugin. So here I open a JS Ligo smart contract file, and I will use some trick for the navigation. So if you want to jump to a type definition, you do, for example, a control click. So if I do control click on storage, it goes to the definition of my storage. Okay, that's a definition, a jump to the type definition. We have the same for variables. So here I have user variable. If I control click, it goes to this line where the variable is defined. I can also find references of a variable. For example, if I look on optional here, and I try to find our references, then here is the list of all the references that OPT is used. I can also fold a function. Okay, it's expand. And I can also control click to jump to a file that is included. For example, here I have an inclusion of this file. If I control click, it opens this file. Okay, that's pretty much all you have for the navigation part. Now the diagnostics. So you have the DLSP7 that is checking your code. So if you have problem somewhere on the code, here is missing a bracket. I have an error missing closing brace. I have also on the type checker. So if I change here the type, then I will have an error saying that comparison between string and address is not possible. Okay, that's okay for the diagnostic. Now the code edition. So I have some overs over variables. So here, for example, if I pass over user, it tells me what is the type of user. If I pass over function, I have the signature of the function. I can also rename symbols from variables or even types. So if I do right click, rename symbol, I change it like this. I change everywhere in my file, and I can change again and come back. About the code completion now. So if I control space anywhere, I have a list of variables I can use. I have also an access to the Ligo libraries. I have some keywords sometimes available, or type not, but you have keywords, trying to find keywords, and you have also operators. On the list of the operators you have access. Okay, that's the keywords here, for example. I can do also on a record. So here, if I control space store dot, I have the list of the fields of my record. And you can also do that on libraries, so modules. So if I have a module and control space, I have the list of all the functions on this module. Okay, that's close the code completion part. The last part is formatting. So if I change like this, so here by default in my VS Code I have auto format on save. So I will save the file and it will auto format. It is done. Thank you for watching and see you next time.